Alright, with the clock, after you've glued your face veneer and back veneer onto your plywood base, it's time to do the edge veneers. So, I've cut this at 180 by 180 and it's ready to go. So, you grab yourself your veneer that you're going to use for the edge. I'll place the veneer there with a little bit of overlap, hopefully you can see that, and I will mark this side. So also it's got a slight bit of overlap over here as well. And cut on those marks. Put that aside. So, I've got two pieces for the edge veneer. To do this, you're going to need glue, you're going to need 2 blocks of wood, and I've stuck sticky tape on these bits of wood to cover that face, just in case any glue leaks off. This is not going to end up stuck with to our project. So make sure you've got sticky tape on your boards. Can be a little bit tricky. You may need someone to give you a hand holding things, but I've also got a clamp here. Right, so let's get gluing up. Make sure the glue covers the whole surface. Start with my block, then my veneer, and I'll place that on there so there's a little bit of overlap all the way around. Glue up the next edge, spread that glue. Edge veneer, again make sure there's some overlap all the way around, and a block of wood. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. I'm going to have to try and hold all this together while I get the clamps on. Gradually tighten that clamp. Now we do need to check that we end up with no gaps between your clock face and the veneer, and that we've got a bit of overlap all the way around, which fortunately for me I got it first go, and tighten that. We should see glue oozing out the edges. That means we're making a good seal. Now we just set that aside to dry.